Okay, well, hi everyone. I'm glad to finally be making this video after a lot of conversations with research enthusiasts and like-minded people. I think this is a very introductory video that I'm going to make now about the questions that I have gotten till date, few of them about EEG studies. So the most prominent question that I think should be answered today by anyone who knows a little about EEG, such as me, is why and when should somebody use EEG? So an EEG, or as you know it as electroencephalography, is a device that takes up electrical activity from your brain and gives you little details and a little sneak peek into somebody's brain when a particular event is happening in front of them. So for example, as I'm speaking, as I am blinking, that is an event for your brain, right? Whenever I say a trigger word such as EEG in this whole video, your brain will act in a certain way. And whenever you reiterate that event for your brain, that will count as one particular type of pattern that the brain will create. So if you have any study in mind that is repetitive, that has multiple events that are repetitive, and that has a particular type of effect on the brain, then an EEG is a perfect tool for you to study the particular thing. Yes, so the next question that I get a lot is, what does it take to do an EEG study? Should I use a clinical grade EEG device, which is a 6432 channel EEG, or should I use a dry EEG device, which is rather inexpensive, but I'm really scared about the data quality that it is going to give me? So is it equal? Does it match? So my answer would be a big no, of course. A 64 channel EEG signals cannot be matched with a simple dry EEG device, but it is highly contextual. If your study has something to do with frequencies, something that highly interests the area of brain that is covered by a dry EEG device, such as a simple muse band, which covers your frontal region, or a Neuroscience mind wave mobile, which covers only your prefrontal brain. So if your study is targeting these regions of your brain to be elicited when you give it a certain stimuli, then it's a big yes. You can definitely go for a dry EEG device that suits your purpose, right? Finally, at the end of the day, it should only serve your purpose that the dry EEG device is meant to be, right? Another thing that you should take care of is the sampling frequency. Is if the sampling rate is below 256 hertz, which matches a clinical grade, EEG device, then you should take care of the maximum frequency that you want or that is of your research interest. And then based on that, after consulting somebody who is known to the field, you can get a dry EEG device. So these are two important questions that I sought to answer today. I hope to create a next video in the series of these videos and let you know the answers to more questions like this. Till then, take care. Thank you.